Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play the theme music to that popular Netflix show Squid Game, and how to play it on a tremolo harmonica with 20 holes. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Breathe in through 12 3 times. Breathe in through 12 another 3 times. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 13. Breathe in through 12 twice. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 12. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. And breathe in through 8 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. And repeat phrases 1, 2, 3, and 4 2 more times before moving on to phrase 5. Breathe in through 8 twice. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 11 twice. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9 3 times. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 9. Breathe in through 10. Blow into 11. And breathe in through 12. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. and repeat phrases 5 and 6 once more before starting again from the beginning. Now try putting all these phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.